Doge is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we were having a beautiful retest of these exponential moving averages and pushing lower and lower. I mentioned the fact that we may be in a possible M formation and looking to retest around the 0.075 level. You can see that Doge did get quite down there. We hit around the 0.078, and then we saw a nice bullish engulfing candle, but there's something to keep in note here. Number one, the fact that this was after weekend volume. We were expecting this sort of wick across the cryptocurrency pairs, which I mentioned over and over. The fact we don't trade weekends is because usually we will have a correction Monday morning and then a continuation. You can see Doge did hit that beautiful resistance at 0.08 with this strong bullish engulfing candle. We got a nice wick trying to grab that liquidity at around the 9 cents, and now we are pretty much heading right back to where we started. Ideally, trading below these exponential moving averages will still be that continuation on Doge. Of course, this means that this M formation was invalidated, but if we do continue breaking down, then there's still going to be a bearish pattern forming, right? We have to keep that in mind, of course, that if from a bullish perspective, we do get another break around the 0.08 and find this level as consolidation, then things are definitely going to be changing. Ideally, when you do have a very large move set, you do get a period of consolidation, which acts as a very strong wick opportunity to the upside and the downside. So we have to be very careful about entering positions. Ideally, anything above these extreme resistance levels, right, where you're pretty much seeing these massive pumps with no sort of consolidation, these would be good ideas to actually take those shorting opportunities. You can see we had the same formation right here and a beautiful short potential. Once again, the same opportunity again and the same short potential, and again on the third time the same short potential, right? This is exactly how you kind of trade with these breakout formations, but these are obviously very risky trades because if you do see a breakout formation and then a continuation, you can definitely get hit for quite a bit of a loss. This is why I usually recommend never trading in between these ranges and ideally waiting for those break formations to happen. We were waiting yesterday for this break formation here at 0.078, which I mentioned we need a candle close below this level in order for us to have that continuation move to the downside. You can see as soon as we tested that level, buyers came in, bought it right back up in between the 4 hours, and then we got the 4-hour consolidation continuation with this beautiful bullish engulfing pattern for that massive move to the upside, right? This obviously would be an invalidated trade. This is why we wait for the 4-hour candlestick to actually close and then that confirmation, right? Looking at the hourly time frames, this is obviously looking a lot more bullish, and I will say that right now because of the fact that you can see that we are above the exponential moving averages. We already hit that resistance level multiple times, didn't get that break. We did get that liquidity grab, but right now it looks like we are continuing and trying to break above once more. Of course, a clean breakout of this formation with these exponential moving averages being used as support on the hourly time frames, we could be looking for a potential breakout, consolidation, and then continuation. But what we don't want to see is something like this, right? When we have that breakout opportunity, we need to hold this support level. You guys can see that we have failed to hold the support level even on the hourly time frames. Every time we have that support level retest, we don't get the bullish momentum we're looking for. This would actually become the fourth test, right? We have pretty much 4 tests on this resistance here at 0.08. You see a 1 test there, the second test, the third test, and now the 4th test would be in play. So we could be expecting a very large move on Doge overall. We just have to obviously wait for confirmation, because if we don't see that confirmation come in, we don't necessarily want to be looking for any sort of long opportunities on any of the altcoins, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be Dogecoin specific. This is why I always recommend never to be trading altcoins, mostly during capitulation periods. We're ideally just looking for those long positions to run into shorts, right? What I mean by that is every green candle or massive wick to the upside is an opportunity for you guys to be taking those shorting positions. You can see that level play out right over here when we actually had the break of the 11 cents. We had a beautiful retest, and that was your confirmation to actually enter that shorting position to the downside. Right now, we're seeing the same sort of consolidation like we saw in many other cryptocurrencies, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see one last wick to the upside and then the massive move continuing back down, right? But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.